guys, normally we're doing something, either we're out traveling or we're out picking and doing stuff for eBay. Well, we're doing something different. You know, we've been buying the Hello Fresh meals, so we're gonna walk you guys through some of that stuff, and we're gonna have a couple cooking segments on our channel to see how those go as well. So we figured more the merrier. As you can see, I just started, but from what it looks like, we're doing the steak and sherry shallot sauce. Doesn't it look tasty, Tiffany?
Looks delicious with garlic, Parmesan potatoes, and green beans.
So we're gonna start with step one, and that's getting the potatoes all cut up. I started that here. So
the nice thing about this HelloFresh is you can't mess it up. They literally walk you through step by step, and everything is portioned out for you already. You don't have to measure. You don't have to do anything. Everything is already prepared for you. And you just follow that recipe card, and you have a nice homemade meal in 30 to 45 minutes.
Now, I will say that not every meal gives you a full course meal. And, you know, bigger guys like myself, either I am trying to go on a diet, you gotta have a little bit extra. So we found these. So we are going to be having these tonight, extra.
Appetizers.
So we'll be making those as well. So check us out, and we'll follow up here shortly.
And what are you gonna do right now?
What am I gonna do right now?
Yeah, are you gonna cut those potatoes?
Cut these potatoes.
Okay.
And that's gonna take about 10 minutes because I'm slow with a retard hand.
All right, so we're gonna cut all this prep, and we will be back. It was on the pan.
All right, guys. So real quick, I got the steak done. But here's the thing. Here's what I wanted to show you. Is, see this? Now a lot of you people are gonna go, "Oh my God, I can't believe it! You cut all that fat off. Look at all that food. I can feed my family for years." I don't like fat. Wife doesn't like fat. And, you know, so we just trim all the fat. But plenty of steak to go around. So we're going to get ready to cook that up and check that out here in a second. All right. Good? Thanks, my wife.
I went.
No, you didn't. You're assuming. Anywho, so we're back. Step 4.
What's going on over here?
You got to salt and pepper it. Now, I just filled up my salt. I use sea salt, not the iodized salt, because that's really bad for you. It's the shit that they use up north to melt the sidewalks.
Salt.
Yeah. So we're going to take these steaks. What were these steaks called? Bavette steak. I'm new to the Bavette steak. So hopefully it's good, but I have a copper pan here, which I'll leave a link below on Amazon for the Amazon where I bought this at. If you guys are interested in getting,
yeah, they
like
work
that.
great.
I love it. It's all we ever use. But put a little bit of oil in your pan. And this is really weird for some of you steak guys out there. Going, what are you doing? Why are you putting the meat on the grill? I mean, on the stove. But cook it to desire.
Hey, let's check out what we got doing in the oven here. Those are our potatoes and our green beans. Oh, a puff of steam just came out.
Yeah, you gotta watch that.
Potatoes and green beans going in there.
But we're gonna let these cook to the desired temperature, which is normally well done in this house. You can make it however you want, obviously. That's gonna cook, and we have to make the shallot sauce. Here's on a pan. It looks
like a finishing sauce.
Yeah, finishing sauce. I personally think it looks like diarrhea, but that's all right. Got to try everything once, right? YOLO. Our mac and cheese balls are done. However, Miss Tiffany didn't listen, and she burned them.
Do they look burned to you? Absolutely not.
In the comments below, right now, stop what you're doing. Scroll down. Are the cheese balls burnt? Yes or no?
Absolutely not.
You know what? I'm going to put a poll. Are they burnt or are they not?
They're crispy, but they are not burnt.
We'll see what everybody says.
All right, we will see.
Until then, we'll get back to you when this is all finished for the finished product.
So we're back. We're getting ready to do step 2, which is to season these potatoes and green beans and get them ready to roast in the oven. So we're going to take all these potatoes that Eric just cut up.
And my hand hurts.
And we're going to put them in a bowl. I don't know about using these itty bitty little pieces. It'll kind of be hard to...
But look, if you look, there, they could have flowers on there.
Yeah, we have too many for flowers. Alright, so
Technically,
combine
we're not there yet.
garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper. So let's do some salt and pepper.
Oh yeah.
Okay, the oil is in the pantry. Somebody could grab the container of oil.
Hey, get that salt flowing out of there.
It is out. It's way too much.
She does not like to use salt.
Right?
And tell everybody why you don't like to use salt, since you're on nurse.
Salt is really bad for your cardiac health. I already have high blood pressure, so I try not to add any salt to my diet. I also really don't like the taste of salt, so I prefer not to use it in my meals. You can always add salt when you're sitting down to eat. You can't take away salt if you add too much. So
Thank you,
I don't
Cameron.
like salt. Alright.
Ooh, look at them peppery potatoes. So that's just
So
salt and
does it
pepper?
say how much are we supposed to use both garlic salts?
You should probably read, because one's probably going to go on the green beans.
Tossed green beans with olive oil, salt, and pepper. The sauce is shallots, vinegar, stock, tablespoon of butter.
And now they didn't add the butter. So then
Yeah,
you
they
gotta-
don't give you absolutely everything. Like one recipe we had to put our own sugar. They don't put absolutely everything in there, but they give you almost everything that you need. I'm gonna just use one of these little packs of garlic just in case. We can always add more garlic to it.
And for the record, Tiffany washed her hands because she
yeah.
doesn't know how to toss anything.
You just do better when you get your hand in there. You get your hand in there and you mix it all up. Makes it, you know.
That's right, actually.
It mixes it better, so you have it's nice.
And all the
evenly
seasoning goes
coated.
on your hand, and
That's okay.
it's fighting that potato.
So I have a
What do you got?
pan ready back here for these.
That is not floury swirls.
If you want to floury swirl them, you're free to do so. I think that's more for if you're making one. If you're making the meal for 2. We have the meals for 4, because we have 4 of us. Now we're gonna toss the green beans.
Toss the green beans.
These are nice fresh beans. They cut the ends off and everything, so they're ready to go. Nice and fresh. We're just gonna salt and pepper these beans.
It's actually right.
Nice fresh beans.
That's different. Oiling up them beans. So the HelloFresh meals, how much are we paying again for these?
So for a family of 4, if you have the base package, a HelloFresh package, and what we get is we get 3 meals a week for 4 people, and it's $80 a week. Now you can get it for 2 people, and it's like half the price. You can also get only 2 meals a week, or you can get 4 meals a week. So it really depends on the package you pick. We're supposed to be going to the gym 2 days a week, so 2 days a week we try to do like crock pot stuff that we can have it cooking for when we get home from the gym. Or I'd probably do 4 or 5 of these because they're very convenient. They're not that expensive. Everything's nice and fresh, and it's already pre-measured. You don't have to worry about your ingredients. I really like it. Excuse me, Karen. I'm gonna dump out these beans. Alright. So we got the beans nice and ready to go. Our potatoes are ready to go. They go in the oven at the same temperature.
We lost one.
Oh, we have a man down. So I'm going to wash my hands and throw these in the oven. And then, Eric, what is the next step? What's
The
step four?
next step will be cook the steak. Ooh, yeah, it's gonna be steak time.
Show them the pack of steaks, how they come.
Oh, yeah, the pack of steaks. Izzy, what are you doing? There's a steak right there. So, these are kind of how they come. They come in these little vacuum packed, ready to go. So, get those all prepped out, and then we'll come back.
Okay, guys, so we're back. We're going to make the shallot finishing sauce.
I forgot about that.
And all I've done so far is put a drizzle of olive oil in this other copper nonstick pan.
Oh yeah, I put one of those in the description below as well.
And I'm going to go ahead and add it says to add half of these shallots to the oil over medium heat. And we're going to cook that for 1 to 2 minutes. We're going to use the little vial of vinegar here in a minute that comes with the kit. Simmer for 30 seconds, and then we have to add this beef stock concentrate packet that came in the kit, 1/4 cup of water, sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and then some salt and pepper. And then we're going to let that cook down until it's a little thick, and we're going to drizzle that over top of the steak like is in the picture. And it's going to be our finishing sauce.
I also want to add, once you buy these, right, and you can see, I mean, it has all the ingredients, so I mean, it provides a little shopping list. If you don't want to continue ordering the Hello Fresh, there'll be a link in the description for a referral link and for a, you know, just if you guys want to try it out.
It gives you a discount on Hello Fresh. It does give us a little bit towards our next meal kit, so you save and we save. It's a win-win situation.
Definitely a win-win. Hurry up, Izzy's gonna eat it. The Rottweiler. Alright guys, so we're back. We got it all finished up. This is the plated, this is a done deal right here. You got your potatoes, you got your green beans, you got your steak. Steak is well done. I know there's like 80% of the people on my Facebook page are haters. Robbie, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, man. Anyhow,
Sauce.
that's the shallot sauce that
Some
goes
Parmesan
over it.
potatoes, green beans.
So I mean, I gotta finish plating everything else. So again, if you guys if you guys enjoyed this, let us know in the comments below. We're gonna probably have a series of videos on this right now. There will be in the description below a link to some of the items that I've used here tonight on Amazon, so you can just click it, go there if you like it, check it out, and there'll be links to the HelloFresh as well for discount, whatnot. So
any of the links that you click helps us out too. So
yeah.
Please click our links if you're gonna shop through our links. We really appreciate it.
Yeah. So if you guys, oh, I like that copper pan, I'll have that posted, and you know it, and you like it, and if you click on my link and you buy it, I get like, I don't know, I get like a percent of something.
It's like 75 cents, but
Yeah,
it adds up.
it
If
does
100
add
people
up.
buy it, that's,
We're really trying to make this channel grow, and we're gonna do, from what it looks of it, we're gonna do a smorgasbord of things. And so I hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe below, and holy shit, it must have been Ian. And we'll see you next time.
All right. There it is one more time for you. Bavette steak with Parmesan potatoes and roasted green beans.